Good morning, grade 2 students. Welcome to your week 14 and day is 2. It is the second day of week 14. I hope you all are feeling good, feeling happy, not sleepy, your tummies are full, you all had good breakfast. Yes? Wow. And when you woke up in the morning, what you did the first thing, remember? You always pray, you always thank to whom? Thank to Allah for giving him another, for giving you people another day, another good life, another good day for yourself, right? So always remember that as soon as you wake up, you need to pray, you need to thank Allah of whatever He has given you. Yes? Then you wash your hands, brush your teeth, say your prayers, have your breakfast, change your dress, and get ready for your school, for your annual school, right? Great. I hope you all are doing that. And the very, very important thing, I hope you all are following the SOPs. You all are washing your hands frequently. Yes? Very good. You should wash your hands frequently. You should use sanitizers if you are touching anything. You should wear your mask if you are going outside. Although you should stay at home, you should not go outside. But if you are going, wear your mask all the time. These are very, very important things that you should take care. Why? Because nowadays, it's COVID time. COVID pandemic is everywhere. So you should take care of yourself. Yes, I hope you people are doing that. So, coming back to your lesson, which class is this? It's your literacy class, and I'm your teacher Shaista here as usual. Yes? Okay. Now, what we are going to do today? It's part of comprehension. But before doing comprehension, I want to play a game with you. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay. Now we'll play that Simon Says. Okay? Now remember to Simon's instructions, what Simon wants you to do. Okay? Alright, let's start. Now Simon says, close your eyes. Simon says, take a deep breath like this. Very good. Simon says, close your fingers. Simon says, open your fingers. Simon says, close your fingers again. Simon says, open your fingers again. Simon says, look towards your right side. Simon says, look toward in front of you. Simon says, look towards your left side. Simon says, again, look in front. Simon says, take a deep breath again and relax. Feeling good? Yes, you all must be feeling good. Wow, that's great. Now let's come to the topic. Now, what happens, children? Previously, when you want to communicate with your friends, with your cousins who are far away, what do those people used to do? Do you have any idea? They used to write. What do they used to write? They used to write letters and they used to post those letters. Whenever someone goes on a holiday or wants to tell somebody something, they used to write letters and post them in the mail. And then those letters was taken by a postman and he used to deliver them to that particular area. If the letters are of different countries, they're going to different countries, you post them, they go through the post office. From there they are taken to the airplane, and from there they travel or to the railway station wherever the post is going. And then in that country, then when the letter reaches, it is again taken by postman and he delivers that to particular areas. This was how people used to communicate. People used to send their messages. But now what happens, children? How do you send messages? You type on your laptops, you type on the computers, you send the emails, or you send, now it's the technology is so advanced that you send messages through WhatsApp. Whatever you are doing, you can easily tell them. Whatever you are doing, you can easily mail them, or you can even do video calls, right? So now technology is too advanced, but previously we used to send letters, right? Now, today, the unit that we are going to start is unit number 9, and that is Lara's letter. Now, Lara is a girl and she writes a letter. To whom she writes a letter? She writes a letter to her mom and dad because she has gone for a holiday with her aunt and cousins. So we are going to read that what she did. This we are going to read today, and later on in this unit only, you are going to learn how to write letter because there is a proper way of writing letters. We don't write like that, but there are proper ways. So I'm going to teach you that also later on, not today. Today we are just going to read the comprehension that what Lara wrote in that letter, what she wrote to her mom and dad. So I want you all to take out page number 54 of your Nelson English, this page, and see what it is. See how she has written. There is a proper way of writing the date. First, on the right hand side, you write down the address and date, and here you write down to whom it may concern, and here your, and lastly, you will write your name here. There is a proper way of writing letters. I'm going to teach you that later on. Okay? Ready for today's letter? Okay, now I'm going to read it for you. Please listen to me very, very carefully because after reading, I'm going to ask questions. Ready? Okay. Lara went on holiday with her auntie Hannah, Uncle Harry, and cousins Amy and Ben. She wrote a letter to her mom and dad telling them what she was doing. Dear Mom and Dad, I am having a great week. We have done so many things. Yesterday, we went to Fort Hill Beach Park. We went swimming and I was swimming in the sea with Ben before we then visited a wildlife center that had crocodiles. Auntie Hannah held Emmy's hand because she was really scared. The crocodiles were fed the smelliest food I have ever smelled, but they really liked it. Today we are going to go on a boat trip. I hope we can spot dolphins. I must remember my camera so that I can show you some photographs when I get home. When we get back to the hotel, we are going to play cricket with some new friends we met on a walk. I am really enjoying the holiday, but I do miss you. Love, Lara. So this is what she did. She has told everything, all the activities that she has done over here. Yes? Wasn't it interesting? Yes. So you see that she must be having a lot of fun. And here on the next page, you can see the different pictures they have shown of her activities. She's swimming here. She saw dolphins, and this is the zoo where she met the crocodile, and this is the park where they are playing cricket outside the hotel with some new friends, and this is wildlife center, and this is the they are looking at the fish in the sea. So these are different pictures of her activities. Now let's come to the question answer session. Ready for the question answers? Right, great. who had who has Lara gone on holiday with? She has gone with her Auntie Hannah, Uncle Harry, cousins. Who were the cousins? Amy and Ben. Correct. So you are going to write like that. What did they do in the sea? They did swimming. Correct. So how will you say? They did swimming in the sea, or they swam in the sea. Who was scared of the crocodile? Who was scared of the crocodile? Amy was scared of the crocodiles. What did they play with their new friends? What did they play? They played cricket. Great. Is Lara having a good time? Yes, she was having a good time. Now, if you look at these pictures over here, what can you see in these pictures? What are they doing? They are eating some food and having a good time. Here they are sitting on a boat and they all are enjoying and having a good time. Right? So, what activities did she did? Can you name the activities one by one? First, what she did, she went to the park, right? She did swimming over there. Then she went to the wildlife. She looked at the crocodiles, fourth thing. And the fifth thing, they fed food to the crocodiles. And what this food was? It was very smelly. And then what she did? She went on a boat trip, and yes, there was 6 activities that she did. The last one was when she went on a boat trip and where she saw dolphins, right? These were the different activities that she did, right? Now, you may do these question answers later on for homework. We are just going to do oral work today. No written task I'm going to give you. Okay, so now tell me another questions which are very important, that imagine you were with Lara for her holiday. So what you are going to do, I'm going to ask you that what would you enjoy doing? Imagine you were with Lara and you were having a holiday with her. So what were the things that you would enjoy? Yes, Saad, you would enjoy feeding the crocodiles. Okay. Yes, Sarah, you would enjoy swimming. Okay, in the sea. What else you will enjoy? Saad, of course, you will enjoy playing with the friends. Right, correct. Okay. What would you not enjoy doing? Yes, Sarah, you would not enjoy feeding the crocodiles. Will you be scared? Of course, you will be scared. What about you, Saad? Same. You are also scared of crocodiles? Okay, fine. So, would you miss your family? Would you miss your family at home? Would you miss your mom, dad, and siblings? Of course, you will miss them. You will all miss your family because you want them also to be with you so that they will also enjoy with you, right? So, that was all about Lara's letter. That what she wrote, how she wrote, what she did, what were the different activities which she did. Now, I want you for homework, you are going to do this exercise A and B both. We have discussed the questions and answers. You can easily do that. You will not have any problem. And do remember to read the letter again so that you will have an idea how a letter is written. You will start the letter like she has started, how she is having fun over there or not. You will first write down the name and everything. This we are going to do later on. So I hope you must have enjoyed reading Lara's letter and answering the questions. Yes, so do your homework yourself because we have discussed the answers. You will not have any issues, any problems, but I want all the answers written in complete sentence. Okay, don't write down one word answer. Answers should always be in a complete sentence. Okay, all right. Okay, children, so see you next time in your science lesson. Bye bye.